To make your felt storybook or scenery, all you need is 3 pieces of 9x12 felt. You can choose any color you like. I chose the white because it looks like snow, and the blue for nighttime. So I went ahead and attached them with hot glue. So that's what I did with all the 3 here, and I also went ahead and glued a little pouch here to put the felt pieces in when not in use. So you can just put all these pieces inside the little pouch. Let me show you more features of this. So it actually folds in like this to close. This becomes the front. She's really eager to play with this right now. And I went ahead and put some glitter glue so they look like stars. Cut out a piece there that looks like snow and a moon, so you can actually decorate the front as well. So you can put the snowman there. You can put a Christmas tree. So there's a lot of ideas that comes along with this. You can also hang this up on a wall. For the pieces, I just purchased some foam stickers. You can purchase this at any craft store. I bought these at Michael's. They're pretty inexpensive, and I just took out the backing and placed it on felt. Place them on felt, just like this, and then just cut them out. So that way the foam stickers have a felt backing, so that way they will stick to the felt, especially when you have this on the wall. So she is loving this right now. It is keeping her busy, and it's a great way for kids to be creative, create their own sceneries, and tell stories about them. So storytelling. So it's a great DIY project that you can do for your kids or students, and it's pretty easy and inexpensive. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and let me know if you give this a try. Have a wonderful day, and happy crafting.